We are pleased to show you the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.